Hello students, let's make first app Talk to Me. In the Talk to Me app, when we type something in the text box, that time that text will be convert in the speech format. Okay, so for this the objective is clear. For this we required the text box, button, and as well as text to speech converter, as well as accelerometer sensor. Okay, when you click on the text box, that time you got the properties in the right side, and just change the properties of height, width. You can change the hint name also. Okay, if you want to change the properties of button, that time click on the button properties. I have added here one image instead of that button name. Okay, you can also upload that file. Just download the file in your computer and upload from the section of that image option. Okay, just upload that image and okay, you will get your button as in image format. Yes, then next is our text to speech converter is there. Where is text to speech converter? In media, there is a text to speech option is there. Just drag this text to speech option to the viewer. It will added in your APK on in Android app. Then our next is accelerometer sensor for shaking mobile. For it checks the shaking of mobile because of the XY Z direction, changing the XY Z direction. It will get in sensor block. There is in sensor, just click on sensor. First sensor is accelerometer sensor. Just drag that sensor to the viewer. Then what happens, see. Okay, just we'll go for the block programming. In block programming there are simply two blocks are determined. That two events are here. First is button. When button click, that time what happens, that time should be call text to speech. Just click on the text to speech and call text to speech speak. Which message? The message which is in type in our text box. It is in the text format. That's why I'll take text box to text option is there. Okay, I'll take block from the text box to text. Then for the next event, accelerometer shaking, just click on the accelerometer. You will get the event, that is second event, shaking. Shaking means when I mobile shake from one to second direction, that time also call text to speech speak message. Which message? Which is type in text box, that is text box to text message. Okay, just open the emulator or AI companion and check your app, is it working correctly or not. If it is working correctly, then click on the build option and download the APK file and install in your phone. Just check it out. What happened? I type here, hello, how are you students? It will sounds like when you click on the button, that time it sounds. Okay, yes, okay, thank you. Next app is our ball bounce app. In this app we require one ball image, one sprite image, and one canvas, because on this canvas we have to put the ball for moving from one direction to the another direction, from X, Y, Z direction, any direction. Okay, by using this app you can make the ball bounce game. Okay, we'll check only the ball, how to drag that ball from one direction to another direction when I touch that ball. Okay, when you click on the canvas, when you drag the canvas, that time you should have to fill parent height and width of that canvas. Then click on the image sprite, that ball you will got in the media animation, drawing and animation. Just change the speed of that ball. I'll change the speed and radius of also I'll change. Just go in for the block programming. There is a two events. That first event is comes from ball option. Just click on the ball and scroll down. There you will get the when ball one plunge. Plunge means when you touch from one point to another point, that is plunge. when you drag the ball from one point to another point, that is called flunge. Okay, in the flunge you will get the ball, set ball 1 heading and set ball 1 speed. That is the set option. And when you put the cursor on the speed or a heading name, that time you will get two options, set and get. Just take the get option and connect to the set ball heading. Okay, heading means wherever you touch that ball, that is the heading. Okay, that is vertical heading is there, horizontal heading is there, upper heading is there, lower heading is there, any heading is there. Okay, that is called heading. And speed means the speed of the ball. Okay, and I also changed here one event added, that is when ball edge reach, means when it get to the edge of the sprite, then it will be bounce. It should be bounced to the next position. That's why I choose here call ball 1 bounce edge and get edge. Okay, we will see what happened in the emulator. Just is it correctly working or not? Yes, it is correctly working. It changed the position because I am working in the emulator, that's why I can't touch properly. Okay, when you open the AI companion in your mobile, that time you will get better result. Okay, then next option is, next app is our digital doodle. Digital doodle means it is a like a digital blackboard. Okay, you have to drag the canvas firstly, that is a blank canvas, and give the width, that is fill parent to the width. Height should be up to the 80%, 90%, whatever you want. Okay, I'll here add the 4 option, that is clear, red, green and blue. Red, green, blue means color of the pen. That is the color of the pen. Okay, clear means erase all. Whatever you drawn on that canvas, that will be erased by this when you click on this button. That time you will. Then I will change the background of color, button background, red, then green, then third is blue. Just click on the button, you will get properties of that button and change the background. Also change the name of that buttons, red, green, blue, because defaulted name is button 1, button 2, button 3. That's why I'll change the name of that button. Just go in the block programming. First our is the canvas. That canvas first event is, you should have to create the first event, dragged event. In the dragged event, then you should have to go for draw line, because you just want to draw the lines. Okay, take the call draw line from the canvas and then only connect the get previous y, then current x and current y. Why this is? Because in the line there are 2 points, that is the first starting position and ending position. That is our get previous means first position, and current x means last position, that is end position. When button 1 click, that time it will clear the whatever you draw on that canvas. Just go in the canvas and call canvas clear. There is one option, first option, call canvas clear and put it to the button clear. Then button 2 when click, that time set canvas paint color to the red. Scroll down, set canvas paint color. Take this set canvas paint color in the button 2 click and color choose from the color option. Inbuilt option is there, color. You will choose any color from this option. I will choose red and drag here. Okay, then button 3 same format, set canvas paint color to the blue. And for the accelerometer sense shaking also, I'll choose here call canvas clear, means when I shake the mobile, that time also clear the drawing. Okay, just draw this using the green using the blue also. It gives better result in the mobile. Okay, I am using with the help of mouse. If you want to change the line width, then just click on this line width and change the line width to the minimum 3, 2, 1, 5, whatever you want. Now the line width will be small as compared to the last line width. Okay, just see. Let's practice out at your home, and if any difficulties, then call me. Okay, thank you.